So hello friends, this is Kumar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I'm gonna unboxing. This is my first unboxing video. Though I'm not going to unbox a mobile phone or a laptop or anything like that. I'm going to unbox a book. I'm going to also review a book. This book is very special for the candidates who are appearing for UGC NET in English paper 2. That is this video is going to very good for those candidates who are preparing for UGC NET English this time. And as you know from the subtitle of the video, that this is a book of Bineet Pandey. This is Bineet Pandey's book. I didn't purchase this book earlier because this was very high cost, and it was not available. Also, it was not easily available on Amazon, on other platform as well. So now it is quite easily available. So I purchased the book, though I already had Arihant's book, so I didn't need it actually. But then I went for the reviews of some students who had purchased these books, and they thought that this book is good for preparation, for the preparation, not for the basic knowledge, but for the preparation. Okay. So that's why I thought that I should give it give it a go. So that's why I purchased this book, and today I'm going to unbox this book in this video. And I'm also going to tell you the basic things about the books, not the internal things but the external things about the book. So let us start the video. Before starting the video, I would like to request you that if you find it worthwhil, if you like the video, then please like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe the channel for further such updates. So let us start the video now. So friends, this is the package of the book. Though from outside it seems that it's a very tiny book. Yeah, like it doesn't get a good feeling while holding the book, because the net books are very very lengthy and very deep. But this book seems to me very small. It's like a diary, not a book. But let us open the book and find out what's in there. The package are so okay. Though the packaging is good from Amazon, yeah, as it was seeming to me, it's a very tiny book. Now let's open this in the package too. Please wait while I open this package. I hardly give book reviews, or I hardly unbox books. Though I purchase so many books, but I don't do unboxing of each and every book, because I usually purchase old books. I don't go for for new books. People usually unbox new books. I don't purchase new books. I purchase when the price gets lower. Okay, so that's why I don't give reviews, or I don't usually upload unboxing videos. Finally, it's opened. Please wait for a bit more, and then your curiosity will be down. Yeah, so this is our book. Oh, what's it? Okay. So this is the book. Please have a look at the book. This is the front cover, and it is the back cover, and this is its depth. Look at this. You can look at it from all sides. The price of the book is saying it is of 449 rupees, but I don't think it's worth 449 rupees. Though I purchased it for 340 rupees, 260 for the book price and 54 for the, I guess 54 were for the delivery charges. Yeah, and it has been published by Pearson and written by our sir Bineet Pandey sir. So Bineet Pandey sir has written this book. I can understand that. Yeah, writing a long book is a tough task. As he told in live lectures that he completed this book in a very short time because he wanted to give the book for the June aspirants who were appearing for the exam, though the exam got cancelled. But somehow he had already gone with the books. He had already like published the book, so there can be nothing changes to it. But I hope that in the upcoming editions he will adding some chapters in the book. Okay, I believe that he will give us a great book, a great bulk of like Arihant or other kinds of books that are already available in the market. So this is the preface. Let me read the preface. Pearson's anti-UGC NET JRF paper set in English and effective handbook for NET set and various university exams and CU set and set SLET is a panacea for students appearing in those exams. Okay. So yeah, there are some basic things about the books. As you know that this is for the UGC NET English paper exam, paper 2 that is. So he's also writing paper 1 book that will be available in December. But right now we have this one, and so we are going to look at this book. The cover is very small. The cover is like paperback cover. It's not. It's a very it's not very depthy. It's very small, very thin. It's not very thick. Yeah, I was not getting the right word. So yeah, these are some front pages. Dedicated to my elder brother Navneet Singh, who is not only a brother but a true guru guiding me to cherish humanity. So he has dedicated this book to his elder brother, that is Navneet Singh. Okay, who is not only a brother but a true guru. He is its guru guiding him to cherish humanity. So these are the contents of the books. You can look at the contents. There are about 10 chapters in this book, as that is mentioned in our syllabus. There are 10 chapters in our syllabus as well. First of all, we have British poetry, British drama, fiction and short stories, non-fictional prose, then language, basic concept theories and pedagogy, English in use. And chapter 6 is English in India, history, evolution and future. Then chapter 7, cultural studies. It's very small. Literary criticism, it's also very small. Then literary theory, post World War II. Yeah, literary theory is covered, has so many chapters in it, and so many contents in it. Then and last we have research methods and materials in English. So there are total 10 chapters in this book. It's a preface written by Bineet Pandey sir. If you want it, I can provide you that, but I am not gonna read that preface. Then acknowledgement, it's also by Bineet Pandey sir. After that, yeah, it's about the author. I hope you know that, and if you don't know, just write it on YouTube and you will get to know. And we don't need to read this book and need about the author. We already know about him. And then exam analysis. It's a short paragraph where he has analyzed the exam according to his own level. We have 2020 UGC NET paper 2 English shift 1. Okay, let us go further. We have paper shift 2 as well. So we have both the papers of 2020 exam. And then it's our start of the book. Actually, book starts from here. Yeah, the printing is fine. I would say the printing is fine, as you can see. Though I have not read the book, I have just purchased it. Once I will read it, I will give a proper review to this book. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, the printing is quite good. The chapters are very, I would say, tiny. But the best thing is find here. Yeah, this is the best thing that I don't find in other videos and in other books. I have read. I already told you that I already read Arihant books and some other writers' books as well, like Truman and one other writers also. But I don't find this thing. Look, top 10 dystopian novels, and here looks top 10 Nobel Prize winners, and after that top 10 famous Booker Prize winners. So this is amazing. This is amazing, I would say. Top 10 worst 100 novels, top 10 non-fictions, top 10, sorry, 100 best fiction, 100 best novels. And then Booker Prize winners. Look, Booker Prize winners from 1969 to 2019. Already, there is 2020 Booker Prize as well. And then after that, Nobel Prize winners. We have Nobel Prize winners, Pulitzer Prize winners. We have. So this is good. I would say 100 best poetry. This at the last, this thing is mentioned, and I would say this is very good. So there are some MCQs as well, and then there are some mock tests as well. In the last of the book, there are some mock tests. There are around, I would say, more than 15. I would say more than 15. Yeah, about 20. Yeah, you can say about 20 mock tests are also there. Yeah. And this is the last cover. This is also very thin. Although if this book was from another writer, I would have returned it. I know we usually go for depth. We usually go for thick books while considering for net exam. But I don't think that you should go for pages of the books. You should go the quality. As far as the quality is concerned, the book is good. And considering his knowledge, considering his experience in net exam, I must say that yeah, go for it. You should buy this book. Though it is very early, I have not read the book, but the last thing, what I found, the 100 best novels, the 100 best poetries, and then Pulitzer Prize, Booker Prize, Nobel Prize. These things are very good. These are very basic things, and they should be mentioned in the book. Okay, so that's why that's what I found in this book, and that's what I found amazing in these books. And the pages are also very good. The inner pages quality is very good. Though the cover is not of that good quality, but the inner pages quality is very good, and they are very visible. Very clearly mentioned. Though in though in Arihant you won't find this kind of quality of the inner pages. So the inner page quality is quite good, and the overall book is very good, I would say. Amazon has given this book 4 stars. I would also give this book 4 stars. I'm cutting 1 star just because of its number of pages. The number of pages are very less. And though I have not read this book entirely, I have not even started reading this book, but I read some reviews on Amazon who had already read this book, and they were saying that this book is good for preparing. It's not for if you are starting to have a knowledge of net exam. This is not good for you. But if the exam is near, then this book is for you. That's why I go for it. And I don't go for blind reviews. Those who are the blind students of Vineet Pandey sir, whatever he says, they will agree to it. Okay, so they are kind of blind students. We already have our heroes in our life, and we blindly follow our heroes whatever they says. So there are some reviews which are of blind students of Vineet Pandey sir. Don't look for those reviews when you are going to purchase this book. Look for the critical review. They will tell you about the actual depth of the book, actual value of the book. And I went for those reviews. They were saying that this book is good as far as preparation is concerned, but this book is not good for knowledge. No, there is no deep knowledge in this book. So I went for it because the exam is near, and I thought this book might help me in preparing my exam more well. So I have purchased this book. If you want to purchase it, you can go for Amazon, and you will get it easily for 314 rupees, as I got it in 314 rupees. And I think this is value for money. I won't think I would regret buying this book. And this is all from right now in this book. So this is all in this video from me, as far as I can give. And I want to thank Vineet Pandey sir for providing this book to us, because this was very good. This was very to have a book of such kind of person who has qualified net 8 times and 2 times JRS and 16 times set. So to have a book from a kind of person whom we know, whom we admire, and whom we look for guidance whenever we appear for exam. So having a book in your hand of such kind of personality is good, as nobody not everybody can buy your notes. So I hope that anyone can buy your book. That is not a very I would say very that is not very high cost as your notes are.
So yeah, I'm ending my video here with this note that this book is good as far as I can see. Otherwise, I would read this book and will come up with another review after reading the book, and I will tell you that what's in the inside, and why should go for it if you ever if you ever go for it. So this I will tell you in when I will completely review the book. Right now, I have externally review the book. This is all from now. If you like the video, then please like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe the channel for further such updates. And please subscribe the channel for further such updates. Thank you very much for joining the video, and have a great day.